This is how you can make $500 daily as a student. Yeah, that's true. I'm going to share a method with you by which you can make money without having to work for someone else. And if you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. Let's start the video. Today I'm going to share with you a method that can help you make money as a student by selling your study notes online. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually make money by selling your study notes online. And the best part is that you don't have to go through any time-consuming process like creating a website, making a video, or anything like that. Here's how you can get started with selling your study notes online. If you want to make more money with study notes online, the first thing you'll need to do is create high-quality notes on a particular topic. To create your study notes, you can write them down on paper or type them up on a computer. If you choose to write them down on paper, you can use an image-to-text converter to convert your notes into a digital format. There are many free image-to-text converter websites available online that you can use. To use an image-to-text converter, you can take a picture of your handwritten notes and upload it to the website. The website will then convert your image into text, which you can copy and paste into a document on Google Docs. If you want to make your study notes look even more professional, you can use a language model like ChatGPT to help you. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can help you write your notes in a more professional and polished way. Simply type out your notes in the ChatGPT interface, and it will provide you with suggestions and corrections to make your notes better. Once you have your notes ready, you can download them as a PDF file. To do this, simply go to the File menu in Google Docs and click on Download. From there, you can choose the PDF format and save your notes as a PDF file. Now that you have your study notes in a PDF format, you're ready to start selling them online and earning money. One website you can use to sell your study notes is called StudyPool. To get started, simply go to StudyPool's website and click on the Sell Docs option. From there, you'll be taken to a page where you can create an account and start uploading your study notes. Once your study notes are uploaded, you'll be able to earn money on every single view. StudyPool allows you to earn up to $10 every time a student views your document, so make sure to make your notes professional and easy to understand. One great thing about StudyPool is that you can see the top earners on the site who have made over $92,000 with this method. This shows that it is definitely possible to make a good amount of money by selling your study notes online. Let's do a little math. It's pretty simple. If you can get 50 people to look at your notes every day, you can make $500 every day. That means you could make $15,000 every month just by doing this. Yeah, it's really that easy. All you have to do is share your notes with people online and get 50 views every day. And if you keep doing it consistently, you can make a lot of money without too much effort. So if you're ready to start earning money as a student, go ahead and create your account on StudyPool and start selling your study notes today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel for more content like this.